We are in Ehime Prefecture on the island of Shikoku in Japan. Near the nearest big city is Matsuyama, and Dogo Onsen, one of the three famous hot springs areas in Japan, is about a 15-20 minute drive away. Anyway, so we just got out of the elevator in a boutique luxury hotel or ryokan called Oaks Setouchi Retreat Aonagi. Oaks is OKCS, I think that's how it's pronounced, is the company, and Setouchi Retreat Aonagi is the name of the property. So we just got out of the elevator. This is the top floor, the fifth floor, and so there's just one room. That's it. So let's take a look. This is the Aonagi Suite, a full 170 square meters. Maisonette style. So you come around here. So the first thing you see coming in is the first floor bathroom. You can see the toilet from the mirror, so I'm not going to turn around. Closet. Slippers. Okay. Come back around. Let's go this way. This is a little study alcove. And over here is a coffee, tea machine, mini bar, glasses, sink. All that good stuff. Turn around. I have no idea what these are. I'm just learning with you guys. It looks like it's they have extra blankets and stuff like that. Anyway, so we walk in through the main area. So really high ceiling. Tons of glass, very natural light. So this is the top category room called the Villa Suite. There's, I believe, only about 7 rooms, 5 or 7 rooms in this whole place. Anyway, so this is built by the world famous Japanese architect Tadao Ando in 1999. And it was a museum as well as a kind of a guest house, not like a backpacker's guest house, but for guests of the company that commissioned this place in the beginning. You can see there's there's a famous pool. And then up ahead is Setouchi, or Seto Naikai, the Seto Inland Sea. Over here, looks like the sun's beating down on us, but over here you can see that's the secondary building. We're in the main building. Anyway, so what we'll do is close by showing you a good view. So we'll push this. It opens really slowly, so we'll come back to it. Anyways, let's take a look. It's the layout of the living area. This is also the only room where they serve, or you have the option to be served meals in the room. Every other guest in other rooms depends on what you want, they dine in the main restaurant. So it's good for families and groups of friends that just want to stay in. Anyway, so let's go up the stairs. Going up. So again, a full 107, well, to be exact, 169.6 square meters. Take a look from this vantage point. And this is the bedroom. Two massive beds, little sitting area, and then let's take a look over here. Full vanity, jacuzzi bath, and a toilet. Okay, so that's the master bedroom, or the only bedroom in this suite, and the bath. The secondary toilet was downstairs, as you saw earlier. And this was the bedroom. So let's take another look down below from high up above. All right, so let's take a look outside the window. I don't think the view is going to be super different. But since it's a nice day out, breathe some virtual fresh air. So there you have it. Setouchi Retreat Aonagi, architected by Tadao Ando. This is in the Ehime prefecture of Japan, which is the northwesternmost prefecture in Shikoku Island. Not the most convenient place to go, although Matsuyama Airport is there's direct flights from just about every major city, so if you prioritize it, it is something worth going to. It's a good combination of staying here and with Dogo Onsen area. Have some real awesome onsen experience, and that's what we're going to do here. Hope you enjoyed.